When a comma is followed by a conjunction such as with here, this is equivalent to a semicolon, which means that the two parts it joins should be independent clauses. But you see, from here to here, this is not an independent clause. Interests are not always aligned. It's not an independent clause. So answer choice B should be eliminated. In answer choice E, this comma and format also leads to the power of a semicolon, and yes, in this case what follows is an independent clause from here to here and from here to here, but this AND construction changes the meaning. The AND construction suggests that the two clauses here are independent, which isn't the case. The meaning is that an international treaty requires convincing many highly diverse nations, and these nations have interests which are not aligned. This AND bit changes the meaning, so E should be eliminated. Answer choice C uses whom for nations. Who or whom can be used only for humans, so answer choice C should be eliminated. Answer choice D has a wordy construction in this that have interests that construction. We have a better answer choice in A, nations, comma whose. Whose here very clearly refers to nations, so answer choice D can be eliminated. Let's confirm choice A now. Successfully completing an international treaty requires convincing many highly diverse nations, and the nations whose interests are not always aligned. Makes complete sense. A is the correct answer choice.